In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim video in Ssemble. If you want a quick, precise way to remove unwanted moments, like awkward pauses, tangents, or mistakes, Semble's transcript-based cutting makes it fast and accurate. I'll guide you through the exact process, explain what's happening on screen, and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident as you go. First, log into Ssemble. Open your browser, head to the Ssemble website, and sign in to your account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with your projects and clips. The goal here is simply to access the editor where your video lives so you can get hands-on with the trimming tools. Next, open a clip in the editor. Choose the video you want to work on and launch it into the editing workspace. You'll see your timeline, preview window, and the transcript panel. The transcript panel is the key to quick trimming because it links your spoken words directly to the exact points in your video. Now click on Cut. You'll find the Cut option in the editor's toolbar. Selecting it activates Semble's cutting mode, so when you work in the transcript, the editor knows you're preparing to remove something. Use the transcript panel to highlight the part you want to remove. Read through the transcript to find the exact section you don't want in your final video. When you click and drag across the words in the transcript, Ssemble automatically maps that selection to the matching portion of your video on the timeline. Take your time here. If your selection feels a little too long or too short, simply adjust your highlight until it covers only the unwanted part. You can rely on the transcript to guide you since each word corresponds closely to the audio and visuals in that moment. If you're unsure, look at the preview window while the selection is active to confirm you've captured the right section. Then click on the Cut button. This action removes the highlighted part and closes the gap, giving you a cleaner, tighter sequence. You'll see the change reflected immediately in the timeline and transcript, with the selected portion gone. If something doesn't look right after the cut, don't worry. You can adjust your selection and cut again until it feels perfect. That's all there is to it. Log into Ssemble, open your clip in the editor, click on Cut, highlight the unwanted section in the transcript, and click Cut to remove it. With this workflow, trimming becomes quick, consistent, and easy to repeat whenever you need.